Hello my friends, welcome again. Here we are in the application and I have opened the VS Code. Okay, and you can see here when we hit the create, I have added this form here. I have added this because it's going to take a long time to create, and I just added it. And I'm going to add this application in the GitHub repository, so in the Laravel, and you can find there, and if you want the form you can check. Okay, so here is the form, and if you come here to the code, I have added the name and address and all the fields we have, and also I have added the wire model. We don't have this property yet, but I have added here, and also I have added the error. Okay, and now we need to add the properties here, so I'm going to do that now. So public, and we have a name, public address, public website, public email, public phone, and another one for the bio. Okay, after that I'm going to make a protected rules. Okay, we need to validate the form, so we have name, and this is going to be required, and I'm going to copy this and paste it here. This is going to be address, and this is going to be website. Okay, this is going to be email, this is going to be phone, and bio. Okay, and for the address we need to add the URL. We need this to be URL, and for the email it's going to be email. Bio is going to be max of 255, and I think we are okay. You can add here what you want, but just for quick I'm going to leave it like this. And yeah, now we have the form, but when we click we don't do anything because we don't add anything here. So in the button we have create. I'm going to add the wire click, and we are going to call it the method create listing. Okay, copy this one and come here and create that method. Okay, here now we need to create, first I'm going to validate the form, so this validate, and with that if we come here and refresh, hit create here, and we need to save this first and come here, create here and create, and yeah, we have the validation. So the validation work. Now I know why we want to create a listing. First we need to add the authenticated user. Okay, and listings, create, okay, And if I open the user model, yeah, we have a listing here. And I'm going to copy these fields here for quick access, and okay, add it here, and here we have the name, the address, website, the email, and the phone, okay, and the bio here, the last one. Hit save and come here and try. Okay, create. I'm going to give it a name first, maybe. First address and website google.com, but we need to add the HTTPS here because we add the URL here, validation, so we need to be URL here. Email is going to be test, phone is going to be something here and something here. Hit that create, and yeah, we need to add the properties. So if I open the listing model, and I'm going to copy again and add it here, protected, fillable, and it's going to be what we have here. Okay, remove this, remove this, and also this one. Save and refresh again here. Create. Listing 1, address 1, and HTTP at Google, test the email, and 1, 2, 3 the phone. Okay, hit that create, and we have the address here, but we don't close the form because here when we store the data we need to call this reset, and it's going to change all the properties here to the default what we have here. Okay, try again. We're going to try again, and we'll call it Laravel address USA, something there, and it's going to be Laravel test.com and something here and something here. Hit that create. Yeah, why it's not closing? Create listing and this reset. We don't save, sorry fans. So when I hit create again, yeah, we close the form. Okay, now I want, when I hit delete here, I'm going to delete the listing, and for that we need to make a method here. Method delete listing, and we expect an ID here. So we need to use the listing, but we have a listing called the class here. So here come and use app models listing as model listing, and here now we need to add a model listing, find or fail the ID, and delete now. Okay, so the listing is going to be associated with that, and now the listing delete. Okay, save and come here and edit. No, we need to add where we have the table. Okay, yeah, here we have the delete button. We need to add the wire click here, wire click, and delete listing, and we need to put the ID here, so listing ID, hit that save button and refresh again. I'm going to delete this one. Yeah, it's going to delete. Okay, that's it for this video. In the next one we need to work with the edit. Okay, hope you enjoy the video. Like and share with your friends if you like. It's going to help me to do more videos like this. So see you in the next one. Thank you very much. All the best.